You need to stop saying you want abundance. If all day long you're rehearsing bills, debt, and disappointment in your mind, are you doing that without even realizing it? I can't afford that. These bills are killing me. Money never stays. If that sounds familiar, Neville Goddard and Florence Scovel Shinn would say this: you're not unlucky. You're just loyal to the wrong reality. Every time you replay struggle in your mind, you're not venting. You're performing a ritual of lack. Tonight, we're going to break that ritual. We're going to combine Florence's razor-sharp affirmations with Neville's assumption technique and build a simple daily practice you can actually use. Stay to the end, because I'll walk you through a working manifestation routine for money that you can start tonight. Part 1, Florence Scovel Shinn, The Power of Spoken Law. Florence Scovel Shinn was a master of spiritual word magic. She taught that your word is your wand, not poetry. Law. Every word you repeat with feeling is like a legal document you hand to your subconscious mind. So if all day long you're saying, I'm broke, nothing ever works out, I never have enough, you're not describing your life. You're renewing a contract with it. Your words are contracts. Your feelings are the signatures. Florence flipped that script with prosperity affirmations. Simple but sharp. Things like, I am divinely guided and supplied. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. Wealth flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. The secret wasn't just the words, it was the energy behind them. So when you say, I am worthy of abundance and prosperity, you don't whisper it like a lie. You say it like a verdict, already decided in your favor. You feel it in your chest. You let your shoulders relax as if the case is already closed. Because to Florence, the subconscious mind is like a child holding a stamp. Whatever you repeat, it stamps. Approved. If you rehearse lack, lack gets approved. If you rehearse abundance, abundance gets approved. Part 2, Neville Goddard, The Law of Assumption. Now let's bring in Neville. Neville didn't just want you saying better words. He wanted you living from a different world. His teaching is simple, but brutal. You do not attract what you want. You attract what you are. And what you are is defined by what you assume. Neville's method is the law of assumption. 1. Decide what you want. 2. Imagine a scene that implies it's already done. 3. Feel that scene as real, especially as you fall asleep. So if you want a new car, Neville wouldn't have you say all day, I want a new car. I want a new car. That keeps you in the state of wanting. Instead, he'd ask, what would it feel like if I already had it? So you imagine. Your hands on the steering wheel. The sound of the engine turning on. A friend saying, wow, this is yours. You don't just see the picture. You step into it. You feel the relief, the gratitude, the quiet knowing. This is mine. That feeling, not the picture, not the words, the feeling, is the signal you're broadcasting, and life mirrors it back. So now we have two sides of the law. Florence, change your words. Neville, change your state. But here's where most people sabotage everything. Part 3, combining them, word plus state. Here's where it gets powerful. Florence works on the front door, your words. Neville works on the back door, your inner state. Most people do one without the other. They affirm wealth while still feeling like a broke person. Or they visualize at night, but all day talk like a victim. You want them stacked. Think of it like this. Florence equals you speak the new story. Neville equals you live inside the new story. Let's do a quick mini exercise right now. Pick one desire around money. More savings. Debt paid off. Higher income. A specific thing you want to buy with ease. Got it? Now answer this. If this were already done, how would I feel today? Relieved, proud, calm, playful, free? Hold that answer. Now right there, add Florence. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity, and it flows effortlessly into my life. Say it in your mind from the feeling of already done, not from the feeling of, I hope this works. That's the bridge between them. Think of someone who always says, these bills are killing me. Money just disappears. One day she decides to try something different. Every time she pays a bill, she says, I pay this bill with gratitude and abundance. Money circulates and returns to me multiplied. At first, nothing looks different, but after a few weeks of new words and a new state, little things start to shift. A random refund shows up. An overdue payment finally clears. A small opportunity turns into extra income. Nothing fell from the sky. She simply stopped rehearsing lack and started rehearsing already taken care of. That's Florence plus Neville in real life. Part 4, turning bills into blessings. Now we go to the battlefield. Paying bills. This is where most people cancel out all their spiritual work. They'll meditate, visualize, affirm. Then the electricity bill shows up and they go, man, these bills are killing me. Money just disappears. And boom, contract renewed. The old story gets stamped, approved again. Let's rewrite that, Neville plus Florence style. Next time you pay a bill, any bill, do this. 1. Pause for 3 seconds. Feel your body. Don't rush. 2. Say to yourself, Florence, I pay this bill with gratitude and abundance. 3. Then shift into Neville. Imagine this exact bill being paid from a bigger account easily. Feel the quiet confidence of someone who has more than enough. Instead of, they're taking my money, you move into, I am circulating money and it returns to me multiplied. Because that's actually true. When you pay a bill, you're paying for light in your home, water in your pipes, internet that connects you to the world, services that support your life. You're not being punished, you're participating. Treat each bill as proof that I am already in the flow of money. That feeling alone starts to shift your state. You stop rehearsing fear. You start rehearsing supply. Part 5, the Daily Neville plus Florence Wealth Practice. All right, let's build your working technique. Something simple you can repeat every day. Think of this as your wealth circuit. Morning, set your state right after you wake up. 1. Sit for 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Bring to mind one money desire. Don't complicate it. 3. Ask, if this were already done, how would my body feel right now? 4. Let that feeling spread through your chest, your stomach, your shoulders. Then say slowly, I am worthy of abundance and prosperity, and it flows effortlessly into my life. Not as a chant, as a decision. Your words write the contract. Your feeling signs it. That sets your state for the day. During the day, money moments. Every time you pay a bill, tap your card, see your bank app, get money or spend money. Use this quick pattern. 1. Catch the old reflex. Ugh, it's too much. It's going down again. 2. Replace it with Florence. I am paying this with gratitude and abundance. 3. Add a 1-second Neville flash. See yourself in a reality where this amount is easy. You're training your nervous system. Money and I are on the same team. You're no longer rehearsing loss. You're rehearsing overflow. Night. Neville's sleep gate before bed. This is where Neville really comes in. 1. Lie down, get comfortable. 2. Choose one scene that implies your financial wish is already fulfilled. You checking your bank account and smiling. You telling a friend it's taken care of. You buying something you once couldn't afford. Calmly, not desperately. 3. Loop that scene gently in your mind. Don't force it. Keep it simple and short. Maybe 5 to 10 seconds long. 4. As you feel the relief and gratitude of that scene, whisper, wealth flows effortlessly into my life. I am already supplied. Fall asleep inside that reality, not outside begging for it. Do this every night, not perfectly, just consistently. So here's your new way of living. Florence gives you the language of abundance. Neville gives you the feeling of abundance. You give it consistency. Morning, set your state with feeling plus affirmation. Daytime, turn every money interaction into a mini ritual of gratitude. Night, drift to sleep in the feeling of already done. Do this for a week, not as a test, but as a new identity you're trying on. You're not trying to manifest money. You're learning to stop rehearsing lack. You're not unlucky. You've just been loyal to the wrong reality. Now you choose a different one. Abundance is not coming from outside. It's unfolding from within. Through your words, through your assumptions, through the version of you that you finally decide to be loyal to. If this helped you, stay with me here in the zone of the unseen, because this is just the beginning of what Neville and Florence can do together in your life. This is the zone of the unseen. We asked, please help our channel grow by liking, subscribing, and commenting.